recorded that for you.
Stop filming, watch me real fast.
YouTube. YouTube.
I want to see
Facebook.
that.
Twitter.
God, I want to see that.
Here, man. Here. What do we call that?
I don't know.
Dog fight non-fair.
I feel like pull hair, pull hair.
Sit on her, Max.
Bite your back. Oh, bite. Hey.
He's like, rub my belly. Shut up and rub my belly.
Oh, biting.
Do it again, Mom.
No way. It hurt. This was hard. Hey.
He said,
You're biting. You got a little short man syndrome.
We're gonna call it Dog versus Girl. Take one.
Dog wins.
Max! Say hi. Say hi, Max.
Say hell no.
Tase him. Tase him. Mom, go get the taser.
Don't be biting. No.
We can record you tasing him.
No. No. You don't like the taser.
So? Go get it. Get him, Max. Get him, Max. I'll give you dogs and tase his butt. I give you one.
please don't tase my dog.
Tase him. Oh, now it's your dog.
It is my
You don't
dog.
want to put the feet up in your... Oh, it's my dog.
Ooh, I don't like that. He's gonna bite it and like electrocute himself.
If Monster can't bite it, you won't bite it. Is it dying?
Ooh, shit. See?
Look at it.
Why are you watching this?
Now tase him. Now tase him.
So? Don't tase my dog.
I'm not gonna tase him, Dana.
Say bye-bye, Max. Get that out of your mouth.
It's just